Hi, my name is Djibril. I'm from Mali, West Africa. In today's video, as teacher Joe Crossman said, record ourselves in 30 days. I've been continuing. I've been work. I've been working on this, and I think today is my day for 15 to continue record myself to improve uh, uh, my speaking in English and thinking and speaking in English. Today I want to tell you something. My first video that I made online was in July 2020, and I have said something. I'm going to find out the English partner who can help me to improve the English skills, and especially the conversation. The day when I say that I have no idea, no clue uh, how I find out the English partner who I can speak with in English, and how to speak. I don't know anything, and today I have a lot of material. For example, on free for talk, another example English conversation, and with teacher Joe Crossman make together the English partner every Saturday, and can practice their speaking from many countries. And I have also meet another people on Skype, on Zoom, on WhatsApp, and so on. And after that I have make 5 points. For example, have the objective, the learning objective, what we are going to do during our learning process. That is important. It make me or keep us motivated to continue and don't give up, continuing learning English. That's help me more to learn English online, oneself, and free for 1 year. And the second point was the difficulties we have in English. For example, the pronunciation, the listening, the reading, and especially the speaking fast English, or the native speaker speak very fast, very quick, and we have the difficulties to understand that. I have some solution to, for example, as teacher Joe Crossman said, read for fun, and as we have the vocabulary built, and if we work on our vocabulary and listening and read for fun, we can understand a lot of things. The point number 3 is to find the good way to learn English online. For example, listen, speaking, read, write, fix the grammar, pronunciation, imitation technique, shadowing, as this record ourselves to think in English and speak in English, and build our speaking in English. To number 5 was to make the time to learn English. We have to make the time 15 minutes a day, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, and so on every day. The weekly objective, we have to make some objective, the weekly objective, the month objective for the month, and so on, to keep motivated and keep learning English. And to practice. The last one is the practice. Speak with other people is very important to improve our English. Practice the English with other people is the difficult one, because we have the mind blank. When we start to speak with other, we forgot a lot of vocabulary we have learned, and we forgot a lot of things that we know, because we are not habituated to practice and practice. The more we are practicing, the better we can understand and speak easily with other people. That was my recording, the days number 15. As teacher Joe suggest to record ourselves, think in English and speak in English. This technique can help the English learner to not thinking in their native language or their mother tongue, and try to translate in their head and speak in English. That make many time and difficulties and a lot of a problem when we are speaking. Bye.